How to fix a paper jam in the HP Color Laser 150 MFP 170 printer series. Fix a paper jam when a paper jam message displays on the printer control panel. Open the toner cartridge access door and then close it to attempt to clear the error message. If the error persists, check areas in the printer where jams occur. Clear jams from the paper path. Open the scanner assembly or top cover. Remove all paper and then close the scanner assembly or top cover. Slide out and then remove the input tray. Remove all paper from the input tray, examine the stack, and then remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type. Load the stack back into the tray and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the stack. Shine a flashlight in the input tray area and remove any paper. Reinstall the input tray. Press and hold the power button to turn off the printer. Go to the rear and disconnect the power cord from the printer. Open the rear access door. Squeeze the latch to release the transfer roller and then lower it. Allow the fuser to cool before reaching inside the printer. Remove any paper in the rear access area. Lift the transfer roller and push it forward until it snaps back into its original position, and then close the rear access door. Reconnect the power cord to the printer, and the printer turns on automatically. If it does not, turn on the printer. Print a document again. If a paper jam error still displays, continue to the next step. Reset the printer to clear a false paper jam error message. With the printer powered on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord. Wait at least 60 seconds and then reconnect the power cord. The printer turns on automatically. Wait until the printer is idle and silent. Print a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.